Subscribe to the Minor Tech Tip channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. We all looking for a good budget-friendly Bluetooth speaker to enjoy the music on the go. And of course we want it to be loud and clear, right? Well, here is the JBL Go, the most affordable Bluetooth speaker by JBL. So let's take a closer look at it after the intro. First things first, we're gonna talk about the price. So the regular price of this Bluetooth speaker is 1800 rupees, but I brought this for 1500 rupees during the flash sale from Amazon. And if you're also interested to buy this one, then I'll put a link in the description below to save your time. And it will also help this channel to grow faster if you buy it from the description link. So if you wanna help, then please go ahead and do that. Anyway, talking about the box, the JBL Go comes in a very good packaging. And on the front side, you got some features highlighted and the model number itself. On the back side, it's got the price tag and some detailed product specifications. On the right side, it's got the portable Bluetooth speaker written. So enough of the box, now let's get this thing out. In the box, first you get the Bluetooth speaker itself. And yes, it is the blue edition of the JBL Go. And the first impression is the size of the speaker is way too smaller than I expected. It's really portable and handy. It also feels very premium in hand. Okay, so now let's keep it aside for a moment and see what the box contents are. So you get another box, and in this box you get an orange USB cable for charging purpose. And the quality of the cable is quite okay. I won't say it's the best, but it gets the job done. And then you get some paperwork like the user manuals, the warranty information, and all that stuffs. And that's all the box contents are. Moving on to the design and the build quality. Well, the design of the speaker is impressive. Although I like the small form factor, it really helps to carry the speaker while traveling. Because of this small form factor, it fits in a normal pocket. Talking about the front side, it's got the speaker grill with the JBL logo on it. And there is a blue LED indicator present to indicate the Bluetooth mods. And on the back side, it's got nothing, just the JBL logo on it. Talking about the right side, it's got the aux input, or you can say a 3.5mm headphone jack. And the micro USB charging port, and lastly the mic hole. Talking about the upper side, you get a power button to power the speaker up. Then you get a Bluetooth button to dive into pairing mode. Also you get two buttons to increase or decrease the volume. And lastly you get the hands-free call button to pick up your calls remotely. Talking about the build quality, I really like the build quality of this speaker. It's got the matte finish body which feels really premium in hand. And it is nicely finished. The speaker grills are made of metal and the buttons are really tactile. You can really feel the clicks whenever you press the buttons. So overall the build quality is very premium and well polished comparing to this price point. Talking about the features, the JBL Go comes with Bluetooth 4.1 technology, which has 10 meter of covering range. Talking about the speaker itself, this is a 3.1 watt speaker. Talking about the compatibility, this Bluetooth speaker supports any media device which has a Bluetooth 3.1 or better connectivity. It also supports Android or the iOS equally. Also if you have a desktop PC, then you can use it with your desktop PC too. Now let's talk about the sound output, which turns out to be the most important thing when it comes to speakers. So when I got these speakers in my hand, by seeing the size of it, I thought that it can't get too much loud. And when I connected it to my phone, it surprised me. Comparing to the size, it's enough loud. And the bass is very balanced with it, not too high, not too trashy. But don't expect extra bass with it, because the sound is really balanced in it. The trebles are very good. And talking about the sound clarity, the sound is so clear with the JBL Go. You won't get any distortion or any kind of noise in your sound with the maximum volume. And that is the thing I liked so much about it. In short, the sound output is very loud, the bass is balanced, and it's totally crystal clear. Although I didn't test it with a headphone, but I'm pretty sure it will give you a good output. So now let's talk about the last thing, which is the battery backup and the charging time. The JBL Go comes with a 730 mAh of battery, promised to give you at least 5 hours of playback time with a single charge. And it keeps that promise, it gives you exact 5 hours of playback time. However, if you use it with a headphone, then it will give you more than 5 hours of playback. Also if you use it with the minimum volume, then the playback time extends. Talking about the charging time, it takes 2.5 hours to charge the speaker all the way to 100%. And I recommend you to charge it with 1 amp charger to get the optimal performance. So the JBL Go is an awesome Bluetooth speaker under 1800 rupees, and it really justifies its price tag. And if you're looking for a good quality Bluetooth speaker under 2000 rupees, then this must be it. Only if you believe in quality. So that was pretty much of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel as we are so close to 1000 subscribers. Also share this video with music lovers, and if you have any questions regarding to the JBL Go, then you can comment down below and I'll be there to help. And I'll see you guys in the next one.